guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some fried catfish. What I've got here is a little over a pound of catfish nuggets. And I've dried them off. I'm going to put them in here. I've got some oil heating up to about 350 on the stove. Excuse me. This is more than enough for me and Tony. I'm also having coleslaw and hush puppies, which I'll include a link to the recipes. I've already done them previously. Alright, I've got a 3-step system here. In this one, I'm going to do some eggs. And my secret ingredient is going to be mustard. You want to put enough in there to cover everything. Which is probably more than enough. Alright, the next part, I've got some cornmeal mix. Cornmeal mix already has the flour in it, so I'm not going to be adding any flour to it. It's self-rising cornmeal mix, White Lily. This is the white one. I'm adding about a cup, which is probably, once again, more than enough. But I'm also going to be adding a heaping tablespoon of cornstarch. This is going to make the fish really crispy. I want to add some salt, pepper, some smoked paprika. You have to break those up. Some garlic powder, well, granulated garlic. See, this is what I use, granulated garlic. And I do not have any onion powder, so I'm going to use this dehydrated minced onion. Stir this up good. Now, some people would add maybe some hot sauce to this, but we don't really eat stuff too hot around here. Even though Texas Pete would be good in this. I'm going to add a little bit more smoked paprika. Like I said, I do use the smoked paprika, because regular paprika doesn't really have much of a taste, but the smoke makes it really good. Alright, now what I'm going to do, put some of these in here. Get them good and coated. That yellow mustard is going to make it really give it a good, really great flavor. You can use Dijon or another mustard if you like, but that's good enough for us. And that's all you do. So I'm going to finish breading these. And I'll meet you over at the stove. Be right back. Okay, I just got done with the hush puppies. I'm going to drop some of these in here. I don't want to fill it too full because it'll cool down so much. Alright. Just want to let them cook about 3 or 4 minutes each side. I made some tartar sauce and hush puppies and coleslaw, which I've done all 3 on previous videos. So at the end screen, I will have those on there. They are older ones, but they're in this house, I think. I don't know if the coleslaw one's in here or not at this house. So it's within the last 2 years, most likely. Messy. See my hush puppies. Alright, I'm going to let these cook, and I'll bring you back whenever I'm getting ready to take them out. Alright, I'm getting ready to get these all out. I can't wait to eat these, and they look so crispy with that cornstarch on there. I think it really made a difference. Alright, I'll meet you over at the bar and we'll plate everything up. Alright guys, I'm just going to make my plate. Tony can make his own, because I don't know what all he might want on his. These puppies. Some coleslaw. And some tartar sauce. Alright guys, our southern fried catfish is done. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. And give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you like what your favorite fried fish is. And don't forget to share it out on your social media. Alright guys, supper's ready. See y'all later. Bye.